Starting a business doesn't always need a huge investment or a fancy office. Sometimes, all it takes is the right idea and the right tools. In this video, we're diving into 5 practical small business ideas that are easy to understand, affordable to start, and actually work. I'll walk you through each one, what it is, how it works, and which machines or tools you'll need to get started. Whether you want to work from home or start a small production unit, these ideas can help you take the first step. Let's jump into the first one. Tomato sauce or ketchup making business. Tomato sauce or ketchup is a kitchen essential in homes and restaurants alike. Whether it's used for pasta, pizza, or fast food, the demand for it never really slows down. Starting a small-scale tomato ketchup or sauce-making business can be both practical and profitable. To begin, you'll need fresh tomatoes and some basic ingredients like salt, vinegar, sugar, and spices, depending on the recipe you want to follow. There are plenty of free recipes online to help you get started. To prepare the product, you'll need a ketchup-making machine. This machine blends all ingredients evenly. It ensures a consistent texture and flavor in your final product. It's ideal for small-scale production. These machines are available on Alibaba and Amazon at reasonable rates depending on your requirements. Once your ketchup or sauce is ready, the next step is packaging. For this, you can use a manual bottle filling process. Just fill the bottles or jars by hand. But if you want faster production, a basic bottle filling machine can be helpful. Again, these are easily available online. Don't forget about labeling and sealing. A simple sticker label with your brand name and ingredients. You can print labels yourself or outsource them at low cost. Now, where can you sell? You can start by selling in your local neighborhood, to friends, family, or local grocery stores, small supermarkets, farmers markets, or nearby stores. One of the best places to get quick traction is the Facebook Marketplace. It's free, local, and people are actively looking for homemade food products there. If you're tech-savvy or know a bit about online business, you can also set up your own website and take orders directly. But in the beginning, I highly recommend focusing on local sales and Facebook Marketplace, as they're faster, easier, and more personal. As your brand grows, you can offer variations like chili garlic, spicy tomato. Paper bag manufacturing business. It's low cost, eco-friendly, and there's growing demand everywhere, especially as plastic bans become more common. So, how does this business work? The main raw material is craft paper or recycled paper. You can choose the size, thickness, and design of the bags based on where you plan to sell them. For example, small bags for local shops or larger ones for takeout restaurants. To start production, you'll need a basic paper bag making machine. These machines automatically fold, cut, and glue the paper into bags. If you want to get started without machines, small-scale manual production is also possible using simple tools. But for faster output, a machine will save you time and labor. These are easily available on platforms like Alibaba or Amazon in a variety of models and reasonable price ranges. Now here's something important: branding. Instead of using your own brand name, a smarter approach is to offer custom branding to your clients. Many small shops, bakeries, and local businesses want their own name or logo printed on the bags, and they're usually willing to pay extra for it. You can offer this service by simply printing their logo on the bags or applying custom sticker labels. It's a great way to increase your profit while giving customers something they truly value. Where can you sell? You can start by selling in your local neighborhood, to nearby shops, small restaurants, or even grocery stores. And don't forget to approach your own relatives or neighbors who already run a business. They might need paper bags regularly, and they'll be more likely to support you. You can also list your services on Facebook Marketplace or other local online groups. If you're more tech-savvy, building a simple website to offer custom paper bag services can help attract more professional clients over time. But for now, start local and on Facebook Marketplace and scale as you grow. Laser engraving business. Starting a laser engraving business might sound high-tech, but it's actually one of the most creative and accessible small businesses you can start today. You don't need a big factory or tons of space, just a bit of learning and the right tools. So, what is laser engraving? It's a process where a focused laser beam etches or marks designs, logos, text, or patterns onto different materials, like wood, acrylic, glass, leather, and even metal. From custom keychains to engraved cutting boards, wedding gifts, signs, or business cards, the range of products you can offer is huge. To get started, you'll need a laser engraving machine. Now don't worry, these machines come in many sizes and price points. Whether you want to work on small items like pens and phone covers or larger ones like signage, there's a machine for that. You can easily find these machines at reasonable prices on platforms like Alibaba or Amazon. Once you've got the machine, it's all about design. You can create your own artwork using tools like Canva or more advanced ones like Adobe Illustrator. You can also find ready-made designs online or even take custom orders from customers. Offering custom engraving lets you charge more for each item while building a unique brand. You can even offer gift packaging for an extra charge. When it comes to selling, start local. Reach out to nearby gift shops, schools, or businesses. You can also list your products on Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, or your own website. If you're new to selling online, Facebook Marketplace is a great place to begin because it's easy and local. If you're finding this helpful, please like the video and subscribe. It really motivates me. Your support truly means a lot. T-shirt printing business. If you've ever seen a cool t-shirt with a catchy quote, a sports logo, or a custom birthday design, that's what t-shirt printing is all about. This business is fun, creative, and profitable because people love wearing something that feels personal. To start, you'll need a t-shirt heat press machine, which lets you press custom designs onto t-shirts. These machines are available online. You can find them on Amazon or Alibaba by searching for t-shirt printing machine or t-shirt heat press machine. Next, you'll need plain cotton t-shirts, which are easy to buy from Amazon and Alibaba in bulk at low cost. Go for basic white, black, or gray shirts to start. And of course, you'll need the designs. These are printed on special heat transfer paper using a regular inkjet or a laser printer. Then, the press machine transfers that design onto the shirt with heat and pressure. Simple as that. You don't need to be a designer. You can get free or paid designs online, or use simple design tools like Canva to create text-based slogans or funny quotes. You can sell your t-shirts in many ways. On Facebook Marketplace or through Instagram or Etsy. You can even offer to print company logos on shirts for small businesses in your area. This business doesn't require a shop. Just a small space at home is enough. And since the printing process is quick, you can deliver fast and earn more. Customized mug printing business. Starting a customized mug printing business is a smart way to tap into the growing demand for personalized products. It doesn't require a big space or a huge investment. All you really need is a mug printing machine, often called a heat press, and blank mugs to start. These machines are widely available online, and you can find them easily on platforms like Alibaba or Amazon at reasonable prices. The process is simple. You design artwork on your computer. It could be a name, photo, logo, or funny quote, printed on special transfer paper and then use the heat press to transfer the design onto the mug. And just like that, your custom mug is ready. You don't need to be a professional designer either. With free tools like Canva or basic Photoshop skills, you can create amazing-looking mug designs. If you're enjoying this, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Now, who can you sell to? Custom mugs make perfect gifts for birthdays, weddings, baby announcements, and corporate giveaways. You can target small businesses or even start your own online store. Many sellers use Facebook Marketplace or Etsy to attract customers. If you're tech-savvy, you can even launch your own website, but starting with local sales or Facebook Marketplace or Etsy is a great move. To package your mugs, use simple cardboard mug boxes. They keep the mugs safe and add a professional touch. You can also add a custom sticker to brand your packaging. And that wraps up today's video. If you found this helpful or learned something new, don't forget to like the video. It really motivates me to keep creating more videos for you. Also hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.